Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a topic, a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular writing tools out there, Quillbot and Grammarly. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or just someone looking to polish your writing, this video is for you. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about what sets these two apart in the realm of grammar and writing style. Grammarly is often hailed as the superior choice for its advanced grammar checking capabilities. It's not just about fixing basic errors. Grammarly delves deep, eliminating wordiness and clarifying unclear sentences. It's like having a personal editor suggesting improvements on fluency, engagement, and style. This makes it a favorite among a diverse crowd, from students to professional writers. Quillbot, while proficient in correcting punctuation, spelling, and grammar, is often noted for being a bit less detailed in its suggestions compared to Grammarly. However, it's not without its merits, especially in the realm of paraphrasing, making it a go-to for SEO-focused content creators and students. Now let's talk about language translation features. Here's where Quillbot has a unique edge. Quillbot boasts a translation tool that supports an impressive 45 languages. This feature is a boon for those learning new languages or dealing with multilingual content. Grammarly, on the other hand, sticks to its roots, focusing solely on the English language. But it's not just any English. It recognizes variations from American to British, Canadian, Australian, and even Indian English, tailoring its suggestions accordingly. When it comes to availability and extensions, both tools have their strengths. Grammarly is everywhere browser extensions, desktop apps for Mac and Windows, and even mobile apps. It integrates seamlessly into your daily digital life, from emails to social media posts. Quillbot keeps pace with web and browser extensions and has a notable integration into Microsoft Word. However, it's worth noting that its Word add-in is primarily for Windows users. Both tools offer plagiarism detection and citation generation tools, making them valuable for academic and research work. So, which one should you choose? If your focus is on in-depth grammar and style checking, Grammarly seems to have the upper hand. But if you need a paraphrasing tool or multi-language support, Quillbot is your go-to. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs. And that's it for today's comparison. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.